Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure BigCommerce for optimal dropshipping, beginner guide step by step. Start by signing into your BigCommerce account. Choose the store you want to configure for dropshipping. Navigate to the products section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add Product to begin adding items for dropshipping. Fill in the product name, description, and images. Set the SKU for inventory tracking. Input your pricing details, ensuring to keep your margins in mind. Scroll down to the inventory settings. Enable inventory tracking by selecting Track Inventory for this product. Input the stock levels for the dropshipped items. Next, head to the shipping section. Set the product's weight for accurate shipping calculations. Now, go to the advanced settings. In this section, you can add custom fields if needed. Return to the products menu and select categories. Create or select a category that best fits your dropshipping products. After categorizing, navigate to the settings in the left menu. Select shipping to adjust shipping settings. Set up shipping zones and rates that align with your dropshipping suppliers. Go to Store Setup and select Payments. Choose the preferred payment gateways for your store. Make sure to configure taxes based on your location and products. Head over to Apps to explore dropshipping integrations. Search for dropshipping apps that align with your suppliers. Install the chosen app and follow its setup instructions. Once configured, return to your products to ensure everything is ready for your customers. Visit the design section if you want to customize the look of your store. Apply themes and layouts to enhance user experience. Save all changes and preview your store to ensure everything is functioning properly. Finally, run a test order to confirm the dropshipping process works smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.